Sabi ito isang gago, "Sir, bakit magkaiba yung birthday mo?" Anong pakialam mo kung magkaiba birthday ko? Oh, kung paano sabihin ko dalawa birth certificate ko? Oh, at pareho nasa korte. Kaya nga sabi ko, pumunta ka sa branch 15, RTC Manila, humingi ka ng file doon, tanga.
Ito ang good news, no?
Oo. Dahil kay MG.
Will the real Norman Mangusin please stand up? Andiyan meron namang number, tapos may kung anong branch number, tapos telephone number. It was testified by Bernard Corrales, an employee of the Philippine Statistics Office, that the certificate of live birth of Norman Antonio Mangusin is on the file at their office, while the certificate of live birth of Francis Leo Marcos is not. Yan ang malinaw.
Kahit si Aimee, kahit si Bongbong, kahit si Imelda, they have no right to question bakit ako naging Marcos. No? Wala silang karapatan doon.